Please subscribe for more videos.
Wow! Look at all of this treasure. Let's put it back and start again. We've got 5 treasure chests, 5 different colour coins and 5 different keys. We need to match the keys to the treasure chest to see if there's any treasure inside. Oh no, the keys are all jumbled up. We need to find the correct key. The first key is a yellow triangle. The second key is a red rectangle. The third key is a purple hexagon. The fourth key is a green oval. The fifth key is a blue square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knock them down. Yay! Starting with number 1. What shape does that look like? It looks like a rectangle. Let's try the red rectangle key. Put it in. Turn the key. It's popped open. There's something inside. It's a pirate's telescope. A pirate's telescope was inside. Let's put it back. Hey, look. There's a slot to put a coin in. This is the number 1. So let's find 1 coin. This red one only has 1 coin. Let's see if it fits. Put it in, put it in, put it in. We put the 1 coin in. I have 10 cups and they're all different colours. Blue, red, light blue, pink, green, purple, blue, yellow, teal, orange and blue. Treasure chest number 2. This one is yellow. I wonder if we need to find the yellow key. This is the yellow key. It's a yellow triangle. Put it in. Twist it. It opened. There's treasure inside. It's a yellow diamond. Wowee. Let's close the lid. We'll put the diamond here. And let's see if we can find the coins. The yellow coins. How many coins are there? 1, 2. 2 coins. Put them in the treasure chest. 1, 2. 2 coins in the treasure chest. Number 3. This box is green. So shall we find the green key? There it is. It's a green oval. Let's open the treasure chest. There's a green octopus inside. Oh, he's so cute. Let's call him Oki the octopus. A green octopus. Now to find the green coins. Found you. 1, 2, 3 coins. Put them in. 1, 2, 3. This is a recycling truck. Inside we've got lots of different types of rubbish. And down here we have different kinds of bins. Metal, paper, plastic and organic. They're also 4 different colours: yellow, blue, red, green. Let's start with our metal bin. Our metal bin is yellow. Inside there are 1, 2, 3, 4 items of rubbish. Let's try and find them. First, we have some scissors. We found the scissors. Next, we have a tin can. Now we have a drinks can. And last of all, we found a kitchen knife. Well done! We found 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Next is our blue bin, and our blue bin is for paper. Here's our first item. It's an envelope. Now I've found a cardboard box. Here we have a book. Next we have a newspaper. Well done! We found 1, 2, 3, 4 items for our paper bin. Treasure chest number 4. This one is blue, so we can find the blue key. There you are. It's a blue square. Open the treasure chest. What's inside this one? A pirate's hat. It's a blue pirate's hat. Time to find the coins. There's the blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next bin is red, and this red bin is for plastic. We have found a plastic bottle. Now we've found some plastic baskets. Here we have an empty yogurt pot. And lastly, a plastic bag. We found 1, 2, 3, 4 items for our plastic bin. Next we have our green bin. Our green bin says organic. This is for food items. Our first one are watermelon edges. The next one is a fish skeleton. Here we have an eggshell. And lastly, an apple core. You found 1, 2, 3, 4 items in our green bin. It looks like all our bins are full up. We found all the rubbish. There's no more left. Great job, everyone. Time for our last treasure chest. Number 5. And it's purple. Purple treasure chest can only mean one thing. We need the purple key. This is a purple hexagon. Let's open number 5. What's inside? It's a purple parrot. A purple parrot. Now we need our purple coins. Found you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purple coins. Put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found all the treasure. Well done, everybody.
Please subscribe for more videos.